Oh boy!
Pretty clean.
Oh no, Viper's getting hammered.
That's all right. The long race, and he's got a fast Truggy and a long race. We are fine. You got it. You got it. Keep it on all fours. So get him within 2 laps.
You lost me at keep it on all fours.
Already up to 3rd.
Oh boy, 3-car pile up. Oh no.
Well, and there we go.
After 1 minute, the top drivers are Mike Angel in first place with a 17-lap 5:04.3 pace with 3 laps, followed by Colin Diederich in second place with a 16-lap 5:01.7 pace with 3 laps, followed by Viper in third place with a 16-lap 5:08.5 pace with 2 laps, followed by Ashley Leonard in fourth place with a 16-lap 5:19.2 pace with 2 laps, followed by Marco Bakinovic in fifth place with a 15-lap 5:02.1 pace with 2 laps. After 2 minutes, the top drivers are Mike Angel in first place with an 18-lap 5:16.1 pace with 6 laps, followed by Colin Diederich in second place with a 17-lap 5:12.1 pace with 6 laps, followed by Viper in third place with a 17-lap 5:16.7 pace with 6 laps, followed by Marco Bakinovic in fourth place with a 16-lap 5:11.7 pace with 6 laps, followed by Tom Sepp in fifth place with a 15-lap 5:01 flat pace with 5 laps.
Just over 2 minutes left.
After 3 minutes, the top drivers are Mike Angel in first place with an 18-lap 5:14.9 pace with 10 laps, followed by Viper in second place with a 17-lap 5:03.8 pace with 10 laps, followed by Colin Diederich in third place with a 17-lap 5:06.7 pace with 10 laps, followed by Marco Bakinovic in fourth place with a 16-lap 5:05.1 pace with 9 laps, followed by Tom Sepp in fifth place with a 15-lap 5:13.5 pace with 8 laps.
At least they both made it through timing. Alan has caught the leader, 1 and 2.
Get him.
Going to the back tail. Just over 1 minute left. Just over 1 minute.
Oh no.
1 minute 4 minutes. The top drivers are Mike Angel in first place with an 18-lap 5:13.9 pace with 13 laps, followed by Viper in second place with a 17-lap 5:0.8 pace with 13 laps, followed by Colin Diederich in third place with a 17-lap 5:08.4 pace with 13 laps, followed by Marco Bakinovic in fourth place with a 16-lap 5:11.6 pace with 12 laps, followed by Tom Sepp in fifth place with a 16-lap 5:19.7 pace with 12 laps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Viper done. Marco Vacuumic done. Colin Diedrich done. Ashley Lambert done. Mike Angel done. Tom Sepp
Every
done.
time I saw you mess
All
up,
drivers are
at the
finished.
same time I couldn't get back.
The race is completed.
Good between you and I, yeah.